going to learn how to make a triangle walking robot. So for the triangle walking robot, what all components we need that will come in your triangle robot box will be, first we'll need the triangle pieces. So what all we need is, like, you'll get two triangle pieces like this. Sorry for that. Two triangle pieces you will get like this, and then you will get two triangle pieces like this. So we need total four triangle pieces to make a triangle walking robot. Two, three, four triangle pieces. Then we need two pieces like this. So this is made up of two pieces joined together. So this will be used for the motor, for connecting to the motor shaft. So we can connect these pieces to the motor shaft like this, and we will get some hinge pieces. So total either 4 or 6 in count. So we'll get the hinge pieces like this. So we'll get these hinge pieces. Then we get a piece for mounting the switch. So we also get one switch like this, on off switch. So we can mount this switch to this piece. We get one piece for holding the battery. So this is a piece which we'll use, which we'll see later how this piece is used to position the battery on the robot. We get two big size screws and nuts for that, to mount the motor to the triangle robot. We get two screws. So these two small screws we get. No problem, let it go. Then we get 10 pieces of these washers, beads. We get few washers like this, rubber washers, which we'll see in the process, like where to mount this. Okay. And we get then two bigger size wooden sticks, and we get some six smaller size wooden stick. Some six smaller size wooden sticks we get. So the bigger size wooden stick is around 4.5 centimeter, and the smaller one is half of that. So it is around 2.25 or 2.3 centimeter in length. Okay, so now we start the process. Yeah. So what we are going to do is that we'll first mount the motor here. So you can see like this, you can mount the motor, match the holes position, mount the motor. Before mounting the other side of the motor, we'll put this piece is there. So this piece will go here. So if you can see, this piece will go here. This is the piece which will go here. So this is for mounting the switch. Then this come here. So we got that. So we position the hole correctly, and we mount this thing. Once this is mounted, we will take two bigger nuts, screws, and we'll mount it. So before doing that, we'll put this spacer into this thing like this. You see the spacer we have put like this, and we mount it here, and the other side we tighten it with a nut. You can see here, so the switch is there. So at this point of time, you can mount the switch here. So you can press it little bit, and the switch will go here. So this switch is fixed here. So you can see the switch. So we'll fix this here. So two sticks we fix this here. If the sticks is going loose, so sticks may go a little loose. So what you can do is that you can use some permanent glue. Use a permanent glue. Drop a little bit of permanent glue here, just slightly. And then you put it here. So remember, this should go tightly. So that is the reason why we use permanent glue, or otherwise you can put this and then you can take little bit of permanent glue. So this will make the things to go tightly. by the time this thing has got set, so if you can see, this is now very tight, very much tight. So we can fix this as we have already shown it earlier. Similarly on the other side. So this is fixed, you can see this is fixed here. Now what we have to do is that we have to take this bigger sticks and we have to pass it here. Similarly we have to take other bigger stick and we have to pass it here. But before doing that, out of these 4 pieces we have to use this bigger stick in 2 of the pieces. So the side where, which side you have put this one, you have to put it the other side, don't put it on the same side. So you have to put it on the other side and again use permanent glue to fix this. Similarly the other piece, use it on the other side. So as you can see, I have put this on only 2 of the pieces. Out of the 4 pieces you have to do this only on 2 pieces. Soon you will come to know why we have done it only on 2 pieces. So it will take some time to dry, let it dry. So this is set right, this also has set right. Okay, now we are ready to do the next step. So what we can do is that before mounting it here, use these beads. So take one bead and put it here and then pass it here. Similarly for the other piece, take one bead and pass it here and then what you do, then put another bead here, and at this time what you have to do is that you have to tighten the other piece like this. Just put the bead here and put the other piece like this, and this piece should also, you have to make sure that both of these pieces are in the same line. So this should be in the same line, and then put a little bit of permanent glue. But if you will put a permanent glue here, then you will not be able to open it. So I'm not going to put the permanent glue right now. I'll put it after testing one round and then we'll put the permanent glue. Similarly for the other piece, we do the same thing. Pass it here, take a bead and another piece, and again this one, the angle should be right. So again this one is done. Now what you have to do is that use a rubber band, hold the battery like this. The battery that is recommended, as it is easier to place it then. So this is the way you hold a battery here using rubber band. Again I have to repeat this step. So the triangle pieces. Put the washers. You have to hold it from this point and then turn it off nicely. Yeah. So if you want to see again, I'll show you again. So turn it on. You can see how nicely the triangle robot is moving. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe our channel on YouTube to get more interesting videos like this, and you can order these kits very shortly from Amazon and Flipkart as well as some other channels. Thank you.